Well, if you're looking to furnish any room in your house, redo your kitchen, or even get a hot tub for the backyard and you thought the price was too much, you don't have to worry about that anymore because this gentleman, Alex Nemeth, is going to help you out. Alex, thank you so much for joining us. All right, thousands of dollars you save, but you did this. You started this 15 years ago in a garage.
With one dining room set.
And now you've got a lot more dining room sets.
And a bigger garage.
And a bigger garage. Now, we're standing in front of some bedroom sets. Beautiful, mind you.
Yeah, we got a ton of bedroom sets. We've got sets, this is an all-wood set here, the bed, the dresser, the mirror, the chest, the nightstand, and a pillow top mattress set for about $1,000. That's like buying the mattress at the store and getting a free bedroom set to go along with it. We've got all kinds of high-end marble top.
You've got something for everyone,
correct,
right?
Yeah.
I mean, the colors, and just because you're saving thousands of dollars doesn't mean that the quality isn't there.
Correct. I mean, we've got, like this for an example, this is an heirloom quality solid wood set from Kincaid with the soft close drawers. This can be passed down from generation to generation, and you're going to save a ton of money on stuff like this here.
Thousands, yeah.
Thousands.
You really are. This pillow top.
This is an Ashley Sleep System gel pillow top mattress. $5.99. You're going to spend well over $1,000 for something like this at typical places.
And kitchen cabinets, I mean, no one can touch your prices on
kitchen cabinets are an absolute home run. Solid wood, dovetailed drawers, full extension glides. All the bells and whistles are standard on all our cabinets, and we're half of what anybody else is.
Half.
Sometimes more.
Sometimes more?
Yeah.
And lastly, it would be nice to walk out of your kitchen into this. This
I mean,
hot tub.
This is an 8-person, fully loaded, 2-pump hot tub with all the bells and whistles. Normally cost you $8,000 or $9,000. We're selling these right now for $49.95.
Okay, I'll take it. East side, west side location, northeastfactorydirect.com.